We're seeing at the moment a lot of change within the AI space. Everything's moving really, really fast. As a startup, you're trying to keep up. And what that means for us is that we're having to make decisions on the softwares and the products that we decide to implement so we can focus on what we do really best, as opposed to trying to do everything. We moved over to Elastic, one, because it was able to support not just the business development side of observability from customer interactions, but it also supported our internal IT operations. So we've got a lot more product in one. Things that used to take us hours now take us minutes or seconds. Search queries that were taking us hundreds of milliseconds will now take us tens of milliseconds. It's a 10x factor. So really it's about improving the quality of the product and the time, so that not only improves our developer experience, but also the end user gets to impact that. So our user experience is also improved. With Elastic and Google Cloud, we're able to get all of that off the shelf. We're able to have like another team member within our organization to help us scale, build, and have all these speciality pieces that have already been worked on and decided on by Elastic and Google Cloud without having to work on ourselves. We know that Elastic and Google Cloud are spending vast amount of money and time in research and building the product of what's being built for the future, where we don't have those expertise. So we're able to focus on what we're good at and what we're building, and rely on Elastic and Google Cloud and their expertise to bring that to our team. So before Elastic and Google Cloud, the data observability was a problem across the organization. The time to resolution was very, very difficult from our developers troubleshooting, and we need to take that and a couple months forward, and now working with Elastic and Google Cloud, observability is seamless and easy for anyone in the organization to go and access that data. Building the databases that connect to our end user products, unbelievable. And the overarching sort of customer journey, customer experience, and the willing to partner and work together and build solutions is made a big change for us.